Distinctive styling and engaging driving dynamics separate the CX-5 from the competition. The marvelous Mazda appears more expensive than it is, which adds to the charm. A fuel-efficient 4-cylinder with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive is standard. All-wheel drive is optional. The pasty resistance is a phenomenal chassis that combines precise steering with refined road manners. Its rich-looking interior is also a class above, and abundant advanced driver assists are available. Based on the numbers, the CX-5 isn't the best at anything, but it is the best-looking and best-driving compact crossover. That makes it a winner in our book. For 2018, Mazda updated the CX-5 standard 4-cylinder engine with cylinder deactivation. The technology shuts down 2 cylinders during cruising to improve fuel efficiency. Every CX-5 now has a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and a blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert becomes standard too. The base model adds a host of active safety options, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The Touring trim receives 19-inch wheels and a full suite of driver assists. The top-tier Grand Touring adds memory settings for the driver's seat and 6 power adjustments for the passenger. The Grand Select model is discontinued. Although the CX-5 appeared to be all new for 2017, it was actually a heavily revised version of the previous generation model. Aside from the gorgeous new sheet metal and sharply redesigned interior, it rides on a similar platform and uses the familiar Mazda 2.5-liter inline-4. It's slightly longer and wider and has a lower center of gravity for better handling and further driving fun, but its lower roofline and other interior revisions have reduced toggle volume. Mazda aimed to offset this loss with a rear seat that reclined, was cooled by rear climate control vents, and was warmed by optional seat heaters. A 4.6-inch color display in the gauge cluster and an available head-up display were new too. The starting point of the lineups of both the CX-5 and the 10 best trucks and SUVs winning Honda CR-V is the same, $24,985. Both have bang for your buck value, but Mazda's top trim, the Grand Touring, from $30,335 is several $1,000s less than Honda's. We like the mid-level CX-5 Touring, which begins at $26,855. All-wheel drive costs $1,300 extra on all models. Standard equipment includes heated front seats with a power-adjustable driver's seat blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert dual-zone climate control passive entry system. The iActive Zones package, $625, includes safety tech such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The preferred equipment package, $780, adds navigation, a power sunroof and liftgate, a Bose surround sound audio system, and rain-sensing windshield wipers, but Mazda prevents ordering both packages on the same car. Choosing the latter brought our total to $27,635, exactly the same price as the 2017 CR-VX we spec it for his in-depth review. Deciding between the two will likely come down to whether you prefer the CX-5's more enjoyable driving dynamics or the CR-V's premier practicality.